Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to try to start our vehicle. The battery is dead. I'm going to take the key out of the ignition. Got our little booster pack. Go under the hood. This booster pack works with engines up to 5.4 liters. This has the 5.3, so it should be about the maximum you'd want to do with this. So we'll take our cables out. We'll hit the on button. It's fully charged. Open up this little door here where it shows the car. Put our connector in. It only goes in one way. It's keyed. These are live, it tells you. This nice little light up LED. And these wires are long enough, so we'll go in here, open up the positive terminal. Get them on here, and then get the negative on. This LED lights up green here to show that you have good continuity and it's good connection. Put the key in, start it up. Once it's running, disconnect your negative terminal, disconnect the positive, shut this off by holding the button. Disconnect it. You can put this away and continue on your trip or wherever you need to go. Hopefully your battery was only dead because maybe you left the lights on, but if there's another problem, you should have that checked out. But at least you're not stranded by having this in your vehicle. And you can buy these from 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.